Welcome to the world of Arogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Arogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Arogya portal provided to you with Arogya HMIs. The sales report includes various sections, starting with the estimated history report. This report allows you to apply filters based on your needs. You can view the data in detailed or summary format. You can also filter by site, bill-wise, paid or unpaid status, department, registration numbers, and more. Once filtered, you can download the report. Moving forward, the Sale Bill Collection Register provides similar filtering options. You can change the date range and download the report as per your requirements. The Estimate Bill Register also includes filter options. You can customize the data view based. Following that, we have the Sale Bill Return Register, which allows you to apply filters as per your needs and download the report. The GST Sale Register report also comes with filtering options. You can choose to view the data summary-wise or in detailed form. You can also filter the report based on site or voucher type before downloading it. Next, we have the Pharmacy Ledger, which includes filters for date, IPTV, daycare, medicine details, or package inclusion. After applying the necessary filters, you can download the report. The Pharmacy Outstanding report also offers filtering options, allowing you to customize the report as needed before downloading it. Similarly, the Final Sale Discount Register has filtering options, allowing you to customize and download the report as needed. The ABC Analysis Report enables classification based on A, B, and C categories. You can input percentage values, modify the date, and then generate the report. The Sale Discount Register provides filters to view data bill-wise or medicine-wise. You can also choose to see all discount details including given and non-given discounts before downloading the report. Thank you for watching.